Morning YouTubers, thanks for clicking on Outsider. It's Tuesday the 28th of June. It's 20 past 5 AM. I've been out exercising this morning up around my local reservoir called Ponstickle Reservoir in Wales, Great Britain. I'm going to show you, I'll just pull over now here, lovely stream beside me. I'll show you now in a bit. I'm going to show you how to make a cowboy coffee using a cyclone stove or jet boil. It's a lovely smooth coffee. If you like your coffee strong, obviously you add more ground coffee, okay? So we're using ground coffee. What it is, you leave it on a slow rolling boil. So what that does is it takes out the acidity, I can't say it, the acidity, okay? So it doesn't give you no upset stomach, you know, or it doesn't give no heartburn and stuff, but it's an absolutely beautiful cup of coffee. Because when you're out camping, you have got a lot of time on your hands, so it's worth having a proper coffee. Sometimes it's nice to get one on the go, so that's when you'd use like an instant coffee, you know, the 2-in-1s and the 3-in-1s and things. But when you're out camping, if you're doing an overnighter, take some ground coffee with you and do it this way. I'm going to show you now how to do it, okay? Talking of cowboy coffee, talking about cowboy camping. Now if you've watched my last 2 videos, you'll notice that I just use a sleeping bag, a bivvy bag and a ground mat. No shelter, nothing above, no tarp, no tent involved, nothing. You leave them at home, right? There's no shelter, you just sleep on the deck, just like you did in the old cowboy movies. You sleep under the stars, nothing above you, no tarp, okay? That's totally defeating the object. So yeah, so the last 2 videos I've done cowboy camping, I can't say it, theoretically, you got it? Theoretically. So nothing above your head, okay? Totally defeating the object, guys. So summertime is the best time to do it. One of the disadvantages with cowboy camping is the bugs on the ground, okay? Because you're sleeping in the dirt basically, there's lots of bugs and things, okay? But so a good suggestion there is to wear a bug net over your head when you're sleeping, as again you would have seen me doing in my last video, okay? So summertime now, brilliant. It's a bit windy and blustery today and there's a lot of rain doing, so it wouldn't be ideal to cowboy camp. But another thing about cowboy camping, don't do it next to a body of water. Anywhere there's water, there's going to be lots of insects, bugs, everything, okay? And wildlife, of course. You know, you'd want to be approached by like a fox or something in this country. Other countries like Canada, New Zealand, and things, bears, snakes, what have you, okay? So that's cowboy camping. Let's get this coffee on the go. So here's my stove, guys. It's not a jet boil, but it's very, very similar, okay? So this is a cyclone stove from Combat UK. I'll put it up in the card section, the little vlog I done on it, okay? So the cyclone stove is all set up now. So all you need is water, a drinking vessel, a spoon, and your ground coffee, okay? Now I like my coffee really, really strong, so I'm going to put 2.5 teaspoons into 1 mug of water. Here we go. Now because we're doing it on a cyclone stove, okay, you want to get the water first of all so it's warm, okay? Then what you do then, this is important, this is, guys, you turn the regulator down as low as you can get it so it's not such a furious boil, and then we'll add our coffee. Okay, so the water's warm now, okay? So I'm going to turn the regulator down as low as I can get it. So just there, okay? So as I said, one, two and a half. Lid over the top. And what you need to do now, guys, you just keep an eye on it, okay? So we're going to get it to a rolling boil next, and we're going to leave that for 3 minutes. Rolling boil, look. Now the secret to this, okay, to get the acidity out of it, is to just leave it sort of percolate there. As I said, 3 minutes, okay? And the next stage, this is what takes all those grits down to the bottom, is you add some cold water. Right, so that's one of the elements of cowboy coffee. You boil it a long time to get rid of the acidity. You add some cold water to take all the ground coffees, you know, the little grits you get, down to the bottom. It's ready to pour then, guys. Right, so that's been on that rolling boil now for 3 minutes, okay? So now I'm going to add the cold water. Okay. I should do it. Leave that settle now. And I'll take all the ground coffee sediments down to the bottom. We're good to go then, guys. All done, guys. All done. Let's get it down on there. Who's in the pudding, as they say? That's the way to drink coffee, guys. Beautiful. No gritty bits, nothing. Nice and smooth and nutty, you know. You can also do this in the house, you know, on the cooker, like. Spray water in the saucepan, add the ground coffee, bring it to a rolling boil for 3 minutes, add some cold water, leave it settle, and pour. If you like me and you do love your coffee, good way to do it, guys. Seriously, give it a whirl, okay? Put down in the sections if you tried it the way I showed you, and what you thought of it. I know you'll be giving me a thumbs up for that one. Beautiful, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, as I said. Leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, give us a subscribe. This is only a small little video, just to show you something that I share in my knowledge and everything. But I've always done this kind of about fishing and that, because when you're fishing, yeah boys, the anglers, you got bags of time in your hands. Do it this way, guys, okay? You've got all the time in the world when you carp fishing. Let me tell you, you're sitting behind those rods for hours and hours and hours and hours, okay? So get the cowboy coffee on the go, guys, right? You know who you are. Get a proper coffee on the go. Right, so I'm gonna finish this beautiful coffee. Beautiful. I'm gonna finish this beautiful coffee now, and I'm gonna finish my exercising. I comes out every morning, there's an hour, really walking, it's all fast paced, you know. And head back and take Lily Poo out for a walk. Thanks for watching, guys. Comments down below. Over and out.